In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quotes or estimates using Xero, all within just 5 minutes. First and foremost, you need to log into your Xero accounting software. Start by heading over to the Xero login page. Once there, locate the login button and click on it. Now you'll need to enter your email and password credentials. Make sure these are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your details, go ahead and click the login button to access your Xero dashboard. This dashboard acts as the central hub for all your accounting needs. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the business tab. You'll find it on the main menu, so give it a click to proceed to the next step. From the options that appear, choose quotes. This will bring you to the section specifically designed for handling quotes and estimates. Next, you'll want to create a new quote. You'll see the new quote option prominently displayed. Clicking on this will open up a new set of fields where you'll be able to input the necessary information for your quote. The first part of creating a quote is filling in the details of your customer. This information is crucial as it helps in identifying who the quote is for. Make sure to add the customer's name and any other relevant details that Xero requires. Once you've set up the customer's profile, it's time to add the specifics of the item or service you are quoting. Enter all the details related to the item, including descriptions, quantities, and prices, so your customer receives an accurate estimate of what to expect. After filling out all the necessary information, it's time to take action and send off your quote. Look for the send button and give it a click. Doing this will either send the quote directly to your client or prepare it for review before dispatching. It's a good practice to review the quote one last time to ensure everything is correct before it reaches your customer. Finally, confirm that everything looks good on your end. Review the details carefully, making sure that there are no errors or omissions. Once satisfied, proceed by clicking send again, and just like that, your quote is on its way. By following these straightforward steps, you've efficiently created a quote or estimate using Xero. This process not only saves you time, but also ensures that your clients receive accurate and professional documents. Be sure to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher on creating quotes in Xero. Whether for a new client or a recurring customer, you'll be able to maintain precision and efficiency every time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.